struggling to write prompt for your content? You know, you create folktales, lifestyle content, cooking, videos, vlogs, or storytelling, and you never know what prompt to use. Come closer, come closer. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI agent that generates perfect prompt for your niche. And guess what? It is completely free. It is completely free. You're not going to pay any dime for this. Imagine having a smart assistant that gives you unlimited prompts anytime you want. You won't even have to sit down thinking, what should I create today? What should I write today? Your agent will generate prompts for your folktales, lifestyle posts, cooking ideas, vlogs, and more in seconds. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to create this. If you are a content creator, a lifestyle vlogger, blogger, or social media creator, this tutorial is for you. Make sure you watch till the end of this video because I'm going to show you step by step how to build your own AI prompt generator completely for free. All you have to do is to go to Play Store. Go to your Play Store. And when you go to Play Store, you're going to download ChatGPT. Just download ChatGPT. All right. Now, this is it. As you can see, it's already installed on my phone. You have to open it, okay? Now, I have opened mine. Okay, this is how the interface is going to look like, all right? Now, the first thing to do, you see these two slashes, select it. Now, you're going to see this icon that says, we're going to see this icon. When you select the two slashes, you're going to see where they wrote new project, select new project. Now, you're going to give a title to your AI agent, all right? So, I'm going to write my personal AI agent. Now, you're going to choose the name of your choice, personal AI agent. All right. Now, after writing this, you're going to select create project. Now, this is how the interface is going to look like. As you can see, the name is displayed here, my personal AI agent. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to select these three dots. You see these three dots here, select it. After selecting the three dots, you're going to see edit project, edit instruction. We are going to give an instruction to this AI agent on what to do. All right. Now I'm going to select edit instruction. Remember, edit instruction. Now I'm going to press this prompt. This is the prompt which I gave it. Credit goes to what to. Okay. The credit goes to what to. Now this is the prompt. It is so lengthy. I can't type all of them here. This is it. And expert prompt engineer, your mission is to transform any user request into a clear, complete, and LLM ready master prompt that another language model can execute without additional context and all the rest. So after typing these prompts, you select this good. All right. Now we have set up our personal AI agent. Now let's try it out and see if it's going to work out. Okay. Let's try it out and see if it's going to work out. Now I'm going to drop this prompt. So I'm going to type this. Let me write, I'm a novice. I'm a novice when it comes to writing prompts. Please help me to write a prompt for my folktale story. Okay, you can go ahead and explain what you want. Okay, go ahead. I said I'm a novice when it comes to writing prompt. Please help me to write a prompt for my folktale story. Okay, now this folktale story I'm talking about, you have to add some things you want it to write for you. You are going to write it as a layman, but it's going to give a better instruction to ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm going to write, my folktale story. It should include dialogue and scene by scene instruction, scene by scene description. Right, so after writing this, let's generate. Okay, can you see it is writing the prompt? This is the prompt it is writing. This is the prompt. Can you see? Okay, this is quite lengthy. Now, if you have to write this by yourself, you cannot get this, right? You cannot write this by yourself. Now, this my personal AI agent have written down what I would have been cracking my brain on. So can you see that it says, create a structured folktale story suitable for storytelling content that includes vivid scene, description, and natural dialogue between characters. Role and mission. You are an expert African folktales writer and storytelling script creator. Your mission is to write an engaging folktale that reads like a narrated story script with clear scenes, emotional dialogue, and descriptive storytelling suitable for video narration, animation, or storytelling post. Now, this is another thing. It says inputs provided by user. The user will provide some of the following. So you are going to provide for some of the following: the title you want, or if you don't have any idea of a title, it can still give you the title. Okay, so it says folktale title, setting or village name, main characters, moral lesson, cultural theme. You understand? So these are the prompts. Now, what I'm going to do is to highlight all of this. We're going to highlight all of this. I'm going to select all of this. Then we're going to leave this interface. Okay, we're going to leave this interface. Then we'll move over to these 2 slashes. Then we're going to go to new chat and press this prompt and hit generate. Okay. All right, so this is it. Okay. All right, now this is it. So I'm going to fill in these details. Now, this is very easy. It says write the folktale in scene by scene storytelling, expected behavior, the title that you want, or scene number. Then they said visual scene description. You're going to describe the kind of environment you want. Is it African scene? Is it American scene? Whatever scene you want. Then the characters dialogue. Use natural dialogue written clearly with character names and blah blah blah. Now they said character name, dialogue lines, and thereabouts. Okay, now after writing all of this, I went ahead and I said go ahead with the instruction I gave. Write down the story. Now this is the story, and this is the scene 1. Okay, this is the dialogue that it gave. Now this is scene 2. This is scene 3. Okay, scene 4. And thereabout. Now, can you see how it is, what it gave me? Now, you can as well tell it to add the scene. Now, this is one character. Okay, it included the scene as well. This is scene description of Kofi. Okay, and the title of the African folktale is the title is The Talking Calabash. Okay, the introduction, scene 1, scene 2, and thereabout. All right, so this is very easy. Whatever thing you want, okay, whatever thing is you want, whatever prompt you want. So we are going to test out another prompt. We are going back here. This is my personal AI agent. Okay, now I'm going to type that I want it to generate a prompt for my cooking vlog. Okay, help me generate a prompt for my cooking vlog. Okay, all right, can I see that? Okay, that is huge. This is huge. This is huge. All right, so create a structured cooking vlog script that is engaging, clear, and suitable for social media or video platforms. The script should guide viewers through the cooking process while maintaining an entertaining and relatable story style. Okay, now if you don't want to copy all of this, fine. Okay, if you want to just copy this, fine. Just copy this, only this. I'm just going to copy it. Then I'll copy it. Then I'll move over to ChatGPT. I'll go to new chat and press this. Okay. Now this is the hook which it gave me. Now this is the quick introduction. Now this is the ingredient showcase. Now this is the cooking process. Pot on stove. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, now this is what it says. It says hook, grab attention immediately, ask a question or say something surprising. Now this is the hook it gave us. Have you ever tasted a meal so good you start dancing in the kitchen? Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and most delicious Nigerian jollof rice from my kitchen. Now it also gave how you introduce yourself. It says, hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. If you love simple tasty meals, blah blah blah. Now this has to do with people that are into cooking vlogs. Now this is the if you want the exact prompts I used, check my Telegram channel or join my WhatsApp creators forum. Links are in the description. Let's showcase. Now it's hard to introduce. It says before we start cooking, let's take a quick look at the ingredients. These are the ingredients needed. Then this is the cooking process: pot on stove, seasoning, pouring wash rice, and thereabout. This is beautiful. You can use these AI agents to get prompts for whatever project you are working with. If you don't know the way to table it to ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is an AI agent, is AI. ChatGPT is AI. AI understand AI. Now building your AI agent, it will make life soft for you. It will make your content creation very soft. You don't need to stress yourself. Whatever prompts you are lagging behind, you can go there and generate it. If it's an advert, you can go there and generate it. Whatever prompts you are lagging behind, you can generate it. Right? That is how you create your own AI agent and generate prompts for any niche. If this tutorial helps you, drop a comment below and let me know what niche you create content in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And also turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I drop a new tutorial on this channel. Bye for now. Don't forget to follow more for AI tools that will help your content creation